Hey guys, here Omar with ABC, and we are installing a new system here for a mobile home, which is downflow. And there's Juan Carlos installing the unit, wiring it up. There's a blower on top. We're missing the coil. It goes down there in the bottom. It's a gas unit. The coil is in the box in here. That's where the coil is. It's a downflow, so we see that it's got the vents in the bottom. And we are going outside. We are going outside. And here we have the condenser outside. 3.5 ton condenser. We got a new pad there in the bottom where it sits. We're gonna solder the lines up here in a bit and get this bad boy up and running. Put a new disconnect, or a disconnect, it doesn't have one, and we'll get this thing cooling here in no time. Okay, so call us for all your air conditioning, heat, and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, installs, service, things like that. So here's one of our trucks. There's another one, and there on the other side of the weeds there is our big box truck that we use for installs. Again, 512-448-0532. We're doing here an install, air conditioning and heating for a mobile home downflow system. Okay, thanks guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.